nameless. Let's go visit the town, but then we have to get to the farm.
Let's stop to have a snack.
These apricots don't taste like anything.
My grapes don't either.
Let's go inside the monastery to see the fresco.
River shrimp, chestnuts, and figs are on the table of this famous painting.
I understand. This fresco tells us that it's best to eat food that comes from our area. Now let's go back to the farm.
Welcome to the farm. Diva, pick up that piece of plastic. It will stay there for many years before it disintegrates. Yes, on the farm there are donkeys, cows, and even a lake with fish. Let's go bring the hay to our farm animal friends.
Why did you turn the motor off?
When you stop, you have to turn the motor off so the exhaust doesn't pollute the air.
What strange fish?
Who threw all that trash in our beautiful clean lake?
I'll help you and go get the trash out.
Thank you, Pio. Now let's go warm up next to the fire. Don't get too close, it's dangerous. It has gotten late. It is time to go back home. But first, let's put the fire out. You don't play with fire.
You learned that to keep nature beautiful, you have to respect its elements: earth, water, air, and fire, and eat foods from the area.